guys, I'm in the middle of redoing my bathroom. I'm just making some minor changes, switching my decor up to black instead of the builder gray, silvery, funky things. And one of the things that I wanted to get was a new shower caddy, a new way to organize my stuff in the shower. And so I saw this one on Amazon. It's got your typical tension pole, except they're not typical because each piece fits into another piece. And what that allows you to do is customize the height of your shower caddy and tension pole to the height you need. So if you've got a full shower and you need to go from floor to ceiling, you can do that. If you have a tub and up to the ceiling and you need that size, you can do that. So what you're going to do is measure the space that it's going in, and then you're going to go by the instructions to figure out how many of the pieces you need. So let me get this together and I'll show you how it looks in the shower. That was a super easy install. I just put the tension pole in the corner, followed the directions, and then the clips go around it, and then you put the basket into the clip, and once the basket is down level, it's locked in place. So I'm going to leave it here like this for a couple of days, and then if this is where I decide it's going to stay, then I will put this safety clip on it, and this just clips onto the bar, and then sections it will attach to the tile for safety. Then it won't come undone. But I think that's going to be a whole lot more efficient and better looking than the, I'm not kidding, antique hanging caddy that I had on the shower head. Thanks for watching.